I'm on my way to back to Michigan, and I'm flying through the Las Vegas airport. That's not a good idea. But, and I'm going to be there for 9 hours from 8:45 p.m. until 5 in the morning. And so it's going to be kind of fun, kind of a nightmare. All I care about is a buffet. I don't know if I'm going to film anything. Maybe, yeah, probably. This should be interesting. Getting ready to go to the airport. And here's Valen. We just planted all of those and mulched. And all those.
What?
Just admiring your work. He did this. And these seem to be pretty happy.
It's Christmas Eve.
Christmas at Home Depot. Yes. We need a few more though. Drought tolerant. Super cute. Hey. Here's an update on the, what is it called, Valen?
It is an orchid tree.
The orchid tree that Valen and I planted last year.
I think so.
Yeah, looks good. This spot has killed many a tree before. They just did not want to take. So this is really exciting.
FYI, the new mulch underneath the orchid tree that I just put down last night is still dry, even though it's been raining all night.
Oh.
Because it's still hydrophobic.
Oh.
Over there. Dry.
Oh yeah, and it's been raining for like 3 days now.
Yeah. Well, I just put it there last night.
Oh. Look at this awesome succulent that's growing in her lawn. If only the entire lawn was that succulent. Rain again because it's getting windy. It usually does that right before it starts. Trimming the pomegranate.
Are you do you lie? Every state when we rise like stronger treat me bad, bruise my face, could love you more, got a beautiful taste. You got me, gonna change what I wanted to. So let me love you,
All the buffets are closed. I'm at a restaurant by myself in a booth. It's 1:39. I'm so tired. I'm getting a steak and a coffee. It's not keto, but there's custard in it. That's it. Definitely not eating the whole thing.
Just about 30 miles northwest of the South Bend area.